The Membership and Marketing Committee is a dedicated group of individuals passionate about advancing the mission of the National Weather Association. For each of our members, the NWA has been a vital part of our careers, and we are committed to helping others within the weather enterprise and allied fields understand how to get involved or continue their engagement with the association. Some of the recent accomplishments of our committee include developing and maintaining the NWA membership roadmap, which helps both prospective and current members explore ways to become more involved and build deeper connections with the organization. Designing and purchasing branded swag distributed at the annual meeting, such as mouse pads, cloud stress ball keychains, t-shirts, and pens. And brainstorming initiatives to expand or enhance member services that better support the diverse professionals within the weather enterprise and beyond. The Membership and Marketing Committee also oversees the Student and Early Career Planning Team, which focuses on organizing the Student and Early Career session at the annual meeting, driving student recruitment at colleges and universities nationwide, and coordinating professional development activities for students and professionals within 5 years of graduation. Above all, the Membership and Marketing Committee is dedicated to growing and retaining the membership of the association. We believe in the NWA's mission to connect professionals from various disciplines, including operational meteorologists, emergency managers, social scientists, and mental health professionals, working together to advance excellence in weather forecasting, communication, and service. We are passionate about furthering the NWA's vision to benefit society through collaborative partnerships that improve preparedness, response, recovery, and resilience in the face of hazardous weather events.